Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a purple smoky eye look with my NORVINA palette. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills NORVINA palette for a purple smoky eye. And the first color I'm going in with is, not that one, this shade Incense. And I'm just going to do one eye on camera and then I'll do the other one off. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. And now I'm going to take the shade Soul, I can't read. The shade Soul, and I'm going to put that in my crease and kind of all over the lid as well. Now if you have green eyes, this look is really going to bring that out. But anyways, now I'm going to take the shade Celestial and I'm going to pack that on the lid. And I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Holy crap. That is so pigmented. Alright, and then I'm going to take that same Soul shade on a little C brush and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking a little bit of Celestial and putting it in the middle of the lash line, just so it kind of ties the whole look together. And then I'm going to take the shade Dreamer and pop it in the inner corner. Alright guys, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows and my mascara and I'll come back. Alright guys, that is my final look on this purple smoky eye. I really love it. I personally don't really wear a lot of color, so I felt that this was needed because I know I do a lot of neutral like gold eye, brown, stuff like that. So yeah, this was kind of new for me. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a good look for people with green eyes or hazel eyes like myself. Yeah, it was super easy. It only took me like literally 5 minutes and I used 3 whole colors with it. I used Incense in my crease. I used Soul all over the lid and in my crease, and then I used Celestial on my lid, and then I put Soul on my lower lash line, and I put Celestial in the middle of my lower lash line, and then I put Dreamer in the inner corners. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this look. I enjoyed doing it. It was super easy, super quick. I really like it. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you also like this video, and let me know what you guys want to see a little bit more of, and I'll be sure to do it. What else was I gonna say? The primer that I used on my face today was the Pure 4-in-1 that I mentioned in my last video, and I used the Amazonian Clay foundation that I used in my last video, and so far that combo is like really doing it for me. I love it. So yeah, I will update you guys if anything changes about it. Let me know what you guys want to see next in my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.